Hiya, I've got the girls coming round tonight, not my sisters this time, but some friends. And a couple of weeks ago we were in Oxford at the Botanic Garden and they really admired the winter aconites. And I promised that I would split mine up once they'd finished flowering so that they could have some. So that's what I'm going to show you how I would do now. So here we've got a clump of winter aconites in the soil here. This plant, by the way, is a snowflake. It's a spring snowflake. They're taller than ordinary snowdrops, but quite pretty because they flower out a little bit later. Okay, so here's a lovely clump of winter aconites. They're quite congested actually, so I can split these up. In fact, I might even split them up a little bit more. And you can see that the flowers have finished there, but I can just pull these groups of bulbs apart like that into nice little groups. You can pull them apart even more if you want, but I prefer to do it into little groups like that. I'll pop some of these into bags, and I shall give them away to my friends tonight, and they will clump up nicely for them for next year. I'd put them in the trug, but as you can see, Lulu, the cat, has now jumped into the trug and is occupying it, so I better not. Okay, that's it. Simple as that.